everyone. Today I will tell you about n8n, that how to create a workflow for your daily routine. For example, you have your daily working task. You do some shopping, you do some expense, and you want to log those expenses. Okay, and for this type of n8n workflow will help you, and it will do your tasks automatically, and at the end this type of Excel sheet will be managed. For example, your daily task will be added automatically here. So to do it, I will show you how it is working. Look here, I have connected some tools. Let me show you how it works. Okay, firstly, here in the chat you write, for example, I did a car wash of 1000 at 8 May 2026 in PKR currency. Okay, you write this message. Okay, when you write this message and then you will submit. Look, you are submitting, and this workflow is completely doing its tasks, and at the end here you can see this entry has been added. Okay, 1000 PKR car wash 8 May, it has been added. So how this workflow has been created? To create the workflow, this is a chat message node, and this is AI agent node, and this is Grok chat model which is connected here, and here is some window memory buffer, and here you can see some JSON parser has been added, and again a chat Grok model has been connected, and at the end the Excel sheet has been added. Okay, so this complete workflow has been created, and it is working extraordinary. Okay, so if you want to see how this AI agent has been added, let me show you. I have go into it, and here you can see what I have written. I have explained it one time that you are a professional expense tracking assistant for Pakistan user. Your job is to extract and save expense details from user messages and instructions. Then I have added it. When users send an expense message, immediately call save expense in DB tool and extract these details from the message. Then amount, I am telling description, date. Okay, it is now finding it, and then I am saying it to save in this format: description, amount, date, currency. So this is the rules. Then I have told it the rules. These are very important. Rules are always assume currency in PKR unless users say otherwise. If date is missing, use today's date. Never ask for clarification. Make your best guess and save. Only call the tool once. Do not retry if already called. Do not add extra commentary or questions after saving. These are the rules which you train to your agent. Okay, when you will train your agent, AI agent, then it will work for you. And then here JSON parser, and here I have explained that attribute, that what is the cost. These are the columns. I am telling it. The description column is DESCR, date column is DATE. So I am explaining each column. Okay, and due to this it is working here. Okay, and here I want to show you the Excel sheet is also connected. Okay, Excel sheet is connected. So this Excel sheet is connected, and when it is connected, it is working fine. Okay, let me show you another example. Okay, I go here back, and here I type some different. Okay, I say that I did shopping of 1000 PKR at, for example, I am saying 5 May. Okay, in PKR currency. When I send this message, look at now you will see the top. Okay, you will see how the workflow is worked. Look, I clicking, and when I click, you can see it is working here very fast. Okay, and when it is done, here it has been added. The 1000 PKR currency shopping completely has been done. So this is a great thing. You should try it, and if you want to learn more, you should subscribe to our channel. You will learn, and we also have complete training of 1 month of AI automation, n8n, OpenClaw, okay, and Python basics, and also we will train you about FastAPI. You should watch the videos of our channel. That would be great fun for you. Okay, thank you.